44 Detention. Where you at?
Hey, hands! 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 Give me your hands! Open the door! Open the door! For the five.
For the five.
Step out! Step out! Step out! Face away from me! Face away from me! Get down! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Oh my gosh, I just got a call from my patient and they be confirmed dead. EMS is there right now. I'm sorry, I had my hands on and trying to get there. I'm on the phone with 911 right there. If you'd like to see.
Stand up.
I can't believe you just...
Why would you not stop? You're at 120 miles an hour. You're driving recklessly. You're going to kill people.
No, that's not...
Yes, you are.
Sir, please take me to Nelson Hall, please.
Stop.
Oh my God, please.
I'm coming up to him on the southbound side. He's 1015.
Oh my God, please take me to Nelson Hall, please.
So I'm 1015. Moving to my vehicle.
I need
I need to 11 feet. I'm talking for Adam Lincoln, Lincoln, 111 Lincoln.
I'll need to see him on my side.
Oh, Jeannie, please don't die.
Central.
On March 10, 2025, while traveling southbound on I-540 near the 6-mile marker at 10:52 a.m., I was advised over the radio by another trooper of a silver Chevrolet Malibu traveling northbound from the 12-mile marker at a speed of 105 miles per hour. I activated my emergency lights and sirens to proceed to the 8-mile marker, where I positioned myself at the northbound on-ramp from Rogers Avenue to intercept the vehicle. As I was headed to the 8mm, another trooper reported that the suspect vehicle was passing the Old Greenwood overpass still at a high rate of speed. As I was positioning my vehicle on the shoulder of the 8mm and beyond ramp, I observed the Malibu traveling at a high rate of speed, maneuvering aggressively by splitting between lanes in front of a FedEx truck and a pickup truck. I activated my emergency lights and sirens and attempted to conduct a traffic stop. However, the vehicle continued at speeds of up to 110 miles per hour, showing no indication of stopping. Due to the suspect's reckless manner of driving and failure to yield, I utilized the passenger side of my push bumper to make contact with the rear driver's side of the Malibu, performing a tactical vehicle intervention just after the 6mm NB. The vehicle left the roadway and came to a final stop in the median on the left side of the interstate. I conducted a felony stop and was able to take the driver, identified as Higgins, into custody without further incident. Ms. Higgins stated that she was traveling to Nelson Hall Homes after receiving a call from her employer, informing her that a patient was about to pass away. I explained to her that this did not justify endangering the lives of others on the roadway. John's wrecker service was dispatched to take possession of the vehicle. During the inventory search, officers located a silver box, a pink box, and a wallet. Inside the boxes, I discovered approximately 1 pound of suspected marijuana and 65.5 grams of hydrocodone. Additionally, $2,108 in cash was found alongside the narcotics. An ASP-2 property form was completed, and all narcotics and money were seized and transferred to the 12th 21st Drug Task Force for further investigation. Ms. Hampton-Higgins declined medical treatment from EMS and was transported to the Sebastian County Adult Detention Center. Upon arrival, she was refused by jail staff. I then transported her to Baptist Health Fort Smith, where she was medically cleared with no reported injuries. Following medical clearance, she was booked into SCADC on the following charges: 554-125-2023, fleeing, felony, vehicle or conveyance, substantial danger of death. 2750-308 first, reckless driving first. 564-436, possess W purpose DEL controlled substance 6 is greater than 14 grams, 4 ounces. 564-424, possess W purpose DEL controlled substance I, 2 excluding meth cocaine equals 28 grams, 200.
Thank you for watching my video. Please support my channel by liking, commenting and sharing. Thank you.